Wow, I'm so excited once again. Huge celebration for us, huge occasion for us, something the whole world is talking about, and especially India. Let's celebrate together, guys. Here it is. No, I'm not getting married again. No. It's much worse. 1 year of COVID this week. 1 year. साल गिरा और सब लोग भी गिरा. Okay? So the week that wasn't. Okay, I'm going to begin with sad news, bad news for cricket lovers. In fact, I think I've got this on good authority. The IPL is going to get wiped out by a much bigger spectacle. TMC versus BJP in Bengal. Last over finish, last ball finish, third umpire. I don't know what's going to happen there. Oh, ouch, but spectators will be allowed. BJP stalwarts are in Bengal, folks. TMC stalwarts are obviously campaigning in Bengal. Now, Congress, yes, Congress also is concentrating in campaigning in Bengal. Oh, sorry, my mistake. That should read what is left of the Congress is campaigning in Bengal. Because 54 minus 23, the dissidents, and you take out that factor, and those who want to go, those may stay. All right. I mean, isn't it poetic justice that the state with the most fanatical devotion to football should have a chief minister with an injured foot? And apparently there's a warning out to BJP supporters from the TMC headquarters. Let's hear it.
Hey you! If you come too close to Didi, she can still use her other foot.
80% Bengali supporter, 20% Maharashtrian guy who works here. Oh, by the way, it finally happened. It finally happened. People warned me. They said I'm too reckless, too brash, too full of myself. It had to happen. I finally succumbed. Let it be a warning to others. I'm just going to put my head out there and tell you guys, no, I've not got COVID. Last weekend, I traveled on a budget airline. They said it was supposed to go to Kolkata, but then it went to Varanasi for some reason. So we got 2 states for the price of 1 and reached home 2 hours after the event. So I won't reveal the name, but I'll say this. People traveling with me, please understand, spice is 1 syllable. The name is not Spice. Don't say Spice. All the time you're standing in line and go, Spice. It's not Spice, Spice. The BMC is to spend 75 crores in Mumbai on building fiberglass railings on the pavement to prevent bikers from riding on the footpath and pavements and endangering pedestrians. Here's my problem. It's a scientific fact. Pedestrians never use pavements and footpaths. Have you ever seen them? Look when you're driving. They're always in front of the car or between the cars or walking while you're driving. It's always that. Who's there? Nobody's there. Don't waste the money. Give me the money. In Bengal, all election aspirants are running off to the temples to get divine assistance at the polls. I say, if God will decide the election results, why are we bothering with citizens voting and all that, yaar? 2 minutes mein ho jayega मामला, खत्म कर लो. Why waste money and time like this? Plus all the news hours which we can spend investigating murders that didn't happen. Lots more coming up, but first the headlines. 5 states go to poll from March 27th. Rumors fuel concern about vaccine safety. And it's tooth versus claw in Bengal. Okay, now before we go into our top story, let me talk about the year that was, in a sense, because we've completed 1 year since that first lockdown was announced, as I mentioned. 1 year in what did we achieve? Don't feel bad, folks. Look back, look at your life, point blank, naked, see what you've achieved in that 1 year. And the answer is nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. It's been horrible. It's going to be horrible for a long time. But we have this show, which will cheer you up for 4 minutes. For 5 minutes, you'll prefer that. All right, let's move on. Assembly elections around the corner. That's our top story. Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry. In case you live in those states, start getting ready. Practice with your fingers. Vote will start anytime soon. And it's going to go on for a little while as well. Okay, 5 elections round the corner. Let's meet a guy called Dr. Kumar, cephalogist. The P is silent. Cephalogist. He's an expert on the poll culture. His new book is out. It's called Vote, a question to vote or not to vote. It's a parallel on the Shakespearean soliloquy in Hamlet, which I studied in the 4th standard. Hello, sir. Welcome to the show.
Hello. Yes, it is a play on words. Vote, a question.
Yes, we understand that. We're not 5. We figured it out. But thank you for joining us. Let's look at the 5 states individually. Let's start with Bengal.
Bengal. It is a beautiful culture, and what stands out about Bengal
Yes, yes.
is that all Bengalis speak
Yeah.
Bengali.
That's your point. True, true. Okay.
But to entice the Bengali voter, there will be something unique.
Something unique. What?
At all poll centers, a mithai shop will also run inside the center. Vote here, sweet here, Rasagolla.
Are you pointing at me?
Maki. I'm sorry, I have to take this call. I'll talk to you after some time. Hello? कौन है बे?
I think we should just tell our producers that if we are live, pretend live, with somebody, they can't just take phone calls in the middle after they've done a booking with us for a certain reason on this show. Makes us look stupid. Okay, let's move on. Rumors fuel concerns about vaccine safety. Yes, lots of rumors. Let's take a look. This week, March 16th was National Vaccination Day. March 15th was my friend Raju's birthday. No point bringing that up. And with approximately 3 crore COVID-19 shots administered, India's drive becomes the second fastest in the world. Who's the fastest? China. They are always second. Can you play the Chennai? But there are issues and doubts about the vaccine, so let's bring in immunization expert Dr. Gangaram Khedekar to answer some of them. This guy's really a doctor. I've seen his clinic, and he specializes in diseases that men after 50 who can't have children. I don't know. I know this because of Kunal. I drop him there. Dr. Gangaram Khedekar.
Have you taken your vaccine or not?
No, doc, I'm actually waiting for my chance. I'm in line.
Your chance? You are over 60.
I'm not. I'm only 40, early, mid to late 40s.
Anyway, I thought, let it be. Ask your questions.
Yeah. Let me start with the controversy over Covishield or the AstraZeneca vaccine. Now, it's been allegedly banned in 10 countries. So, is it then dangerous for us?
It is dangerous. Very dangerous. Very, very dangerous.
I suppose when you say it 7 times like that, it must be dangerous.
Very dangerous if you don't take the vaccine.
Yeah, but what about the side effects that people are talking about?
Everything has side effects. But you have to think of the greater good.
The greater good. Like, for example?
You listen to a long speech from Prime Minister's Man Ki Baat, it's like taking the vaccine.
I'm very scared and I'm asking you how.
Because you come out energized, inspired and feeling optimistic, but you still get a headache.
Oh, but because of the high frequency sometimes on the radio. Okay, what? Go on, go on.
Side effect, but it's for the greater good.
Yeah. Okay, but what about the blood clots that seem to be a side effect, a genuine one, in the AstraZeneca vaccine? Everybody's talking about this.
Nothing, Ray. Out of 5 million doses, 30 people reported blood clots. That is not even 0.00. My mathematics is a little bad.
Yeah, that's 0.0006%. But even then, it is a side effect.
So what is there? It's minuscule. For example, when Prime Minister promised a $5 trillion economy, that side effect was also 0.006%.
No, what do you mean?
Meaning, Prime Minister promised a $5 trillion economy, but only a minuscule 0.006% got rich, just like you. It's okay, chalta hai.
That's really mean. I'm in the bottom 0.0004. Look at that. That maybe if you reverse it, then it makes. How dare you? This suit is on bhada. This tie is my dad's. He doesn't know I've taken him. I mean, come on. But there are reports that some people who have taken the vaccine still managed to get COVID after taking the vaccine. Now, isn't that a fear?
Of course it is a fear. The disease is out there. No protection is 100% protection. You behave badly, it can come and bite you in the bottom.
Yeah, nobody says the word bottom with that phrase, but explain. Go on, explain.
Let me think. Say, like for example, some news anchors.
News anchors?
Now, some news anchors think they have 100% protection of the government. But if they behave badly, it can come and bite you in the bottom.
Can you name these anchors?
No names, Baba, no names. They are more powerful than the vaccine.
They also have side effects, like controversies and things like that, which carry on forever. You never know when it comes to hit you. Let's go back to the vaccine.
So ask, na ask.
I'm asking. So let me ask you, which of the two vaccines, in your opinion, are better? Covaxin or Covishield?
It is a bit like the Tamil Nadu election.
Again, you've taken off. The plane has just gone somewhere. Meaning what?
Taking Covaxin or Covishield is like voting for DMK or AIDMK.
Okay, be very careful. I'm traveling there. Meaning?
See, if you choose one or the other, the effect is going to be the same. Common man's life is never going to change.
That's quite erudite. A word I learned while driving with a 5-year-old girl in the morning. Why was I with her? I shouldn't even mention that. Back here with Dr. Kumar, our cephalologist, expert on the pole culture, is going to open our eyes and enlighten us.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Cyrus. Sorry, I was on the phone. So.
Yeah, you seem to have a habit of being on the phone. But let's discuss Tamil Nadu elections.
Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is a beautiful culture. Beautiful.
Beautiful culture, yes.
Oldest living culture in the world. After bacteria, of course.
There's a called culture, hence he's made a little joke. I don't want to explain it. Kills the whole. Good to know, good to know.
And the unique thing about Tamilians,
Yes.
they all speak Tamil.
$50,000 for a lecture in a public place, Dr. Kumar. Go on. I see. Any other unique features which are a little more sensible comments?
Yes, one feature. During this election, don't speak in Hindi. You can speak any other language if you don't know Tamil, but no Hindi.
Is that so, really?
And if you are a Kannadiga in Tamil Nadu,
And if you're a Kannadiga in Tamil Nadu?
you won't be allowed any water.
Swimming out of the question then.
Yeah, आप अपने घर से लाइए फिर तैरिए उसमें.
Let's talk about Kerala.
Kerala, yes, yes, it's a beautiful culture, great culture, beautiful, most sophisticated culture in the world after Infosys.
That doesn't even... Okay, go on.
But one thing about the Malayali I can assure you, all Malayalis can speak
Yeah.
Malayalam.
Right. Really, doctor. I can't wait to hear more from you.
But I will tell you one secret. Even Dr. Tharoor.
Even Dr. Tharoor.
Yes, yes. And let me add, we expect very low voter turnout in Kerala
And why is that?
because of 100% literacy.
So, what does that mean?
The more literate a society, the less likely they are to believe in democracy. Hence, less likely to vote.
Now, that is an astounding fact. For the first time, I've heard something interesting from you.
Arey, iski bhai. Now, please come back after some time. I have to take this call. Abey, oh,
Sorry, folks, this keeps happening because we don't get the guy we want on the show. For some reason, Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan not taking our calls. So we have actors from the lower rung who turn up and do presentations which don't even follow the script that I wrote for them to follow in the first place. So we'll have to take a quick break. But as we do, I have to warn you, I may or may not come back because I've just ordered online delivery and I'm just going to pay cash on delivery right now. You take a break. Oh, Zomato, aa gaya na? I'm coming. Welcome back, and I say this with hope because we don't know. Generally, most people don't come back for the second half for some reason. It's like when you're a Liverpool supporter and they're down 2-0, you don't want to see what happens post that. Yeah. Anyway, just want to tell you, Zomato is lovely. I have never been attacked by a Zomato employee. I have been run over by Skutsi, Swiggy, and Zomato twice a week, but never, ever attacked physically in my house. They've always called me sir or ma'am and given the delivery. And always given the change back and everything. And once in 10 or 15 attempts, I give some change back again to them as a tip. So, all equal. So, just shout out to all those guys on motorbikes who drive so quickly up one-ways, through green lights, red lights, over people's heads, and fly like an airline that doesn't exist and give you delivery. Some respect for them. All right? And influencers, I'm wary of those people. Don't trust influencers. What the hell is an influencer? Huh? You grow up and you're going to become an influencer? Why can't you do what we all did? Engineering, marketing, sales, medical, law. Those are professions, not politics and influencers. We're the same thing. Novak Djokovic broke Roger Federer's records for most consecutive weeks at the top. Well done. Oh, one sec. Sorry, wrong. That record is with Naveen Patnaik, Orissa Chief Minister. Still going strong. कौन है ये Federer, Djokovic and Nadal? They're nothing in front of that man. A semi-high speed rail line will transform the drive from Pune to Nashik to just 105 minutes. Pune, Nashik, 105 minutes. 5 minutes less than the drive from Lower Parel, where we are, to anywhere. Anywhere. You don't believe me? Shut the show now. Come here and find your way back home. I give you anything you want. You find your way back home from Lower Parel, even if it's 1 kilometer. Because that 1 kilometer will cost you 2 weekends. Got myself a new Dyson state-of-the-art vacuum cleaner. Yup. But it backfired. The wife said if you're so happy with the vacuum cleaner, from now on you're in charge of the vacuuming. Saaf Safai monitor. So every day I'm on my hands and knees. And it's not lovemaking. I can tell you that. Dr. Kumar is back, and this time he's going to talk in a more intelligent way because I've had a word with him offline. And insight, sir, Dr. Kumar, into Assam, please.
Assam. 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 Beautiful culture, very unique society.
Yes, yes, we know. One unique feature is all Assamese speak Assamese.
Rubbish. Rubbish. Who gave you that idea? 20% people speak Bengali. That is not a unique feature. Huh? Anything. Kuch bhi.
Oh, well, sorry, I beg your pardon. Sorry.
So in Assam, the unique feature this time around that Bangladeshis won't be allowed to vote. Now I have to take this call. अबे ओ सुन कौन है बे साहब वो एक तो बे कौन
I don't know what to say. I hang my head in shame and I will come back and I'll finally get this guy to talk properly. I promise you. Anyway, let's talk politics once again in West Bengal. Campaign is in full swing. The Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, however, has been campaigning this week on a wheelchair with an alleged broken leg. After sustaining herself an injury happened last week, she travelled over 300-400 kilometers, refusing to give up a campaign on the wheelchair. Joining us now from the campaign trail, somewhere from the interiors of Bengal, is the alleged spokesperson who should be on a wheelchair because he's so slow, Banerjee Babu Ji.
how are you? কেমন আছে? ভালোবাসি?
You always say the same thing, even in the middle of the program. I thought you were with Didi in the interiors of Bengal. Doesn't look like that.
Uri Baba, of course I am. I am in interiors. I am doing interiors in Didi office.
You're redecorating?
No. Just Didi requested me to clean office and throw out kochara.
You mean Kachra?
Yes, to throw out kochara like Debashree Roy.
So you're upset that she quit.
Are what to do? At least she was good-looking kochara.
That is a very strange phrase. Good-looking Kachra. It's both praise and abuse. It's like my name, Cyrus Brocha. Let that be. Tell me, why do you have a bandage on your arm?
I am suffer. I am very much suffer.
You are the sufferer. You're suffering. Shouldn't you take rest then, not do this?
Bhat rest, eh? Mamata Didi, if she take rest, she even had camera in hospital bedroom. She is right now campaigning on wheelchair.
Yes, I believe the TMC has mentioned that every 4 minutes, no doubt. And I believe she went to Nandigram on a wheelchair.
Yes, Nandigram. Kintu, if she had not thrown out the Ratan Tata from Nandigram, instead of wheelchair, she could have gone there in nano. You know, wheelchair, it is same size as nano, no?
Are you in pain?
In the golden birds of the Didi, people's pain is greater than my pain.
She said that. Can you verify? I can see you have bandages, but what is the real problem?
You see, dekho, it is the heart. I am having serious heart problems.
Heart problems. But why is your arm bandaged if you have a heart problem?
Uri Baba Nirbhoddho, I did not say heart problems. I said heart problems.
You're saying the same thing. You just said heart problems, then you repeat heart problems, and I'm saying heart problems, you're saying heart problems.
Are pogal na matha kharap. Are you crazy? I am saying I have heart problems. Means I got heart here on my right side. It is fractured.
I don't know whether to laugh, to cry, or to die. These are my three options, and I can't make up my mind. So you got heart on your right arm, but your bandage on your left arm.
Uri Baba, what a fool my secretary is. Such a nirbodha brainless. I told him I want to be bandaged exactly where our God, our leader, our ruler, the Mamata Didi has a bandage. And see what that fool fellow done. Wrong place. I sack you.
Yeah, well, you may be leaning to the left. Sorry, but Mamata Banerjee has been bandaged on her, I think, left leg. So you've been bandaged on the arm. So
What you are thinking? I don't know. I don't know. I have done that purposely.
why? Why arm?
Because if I bandage my leg, will you show it on the camera when I do my interview? It has to be visible to public also, na? Like that.
So what you're saying is you're not actually wounded.
Nah. Nothing is really wrong. Nothing that cannot be sorted with a little boralin. Kintu, I will be fine.
I said no, Kintu. I said that. Then why are you pretending to be hurt?
You see, it has become fashion. If you are politician in Bengal, 1-2 injury is must. Gives you little validity.
So all this is just an election tactic.
For BJP, we have to do tot for tit. They use strategy, we use strategy.
Just want to say again that tot for tat, Kintu Parantu not to be used. Now what strategy is the BJP using?
They are getting all actor and actresses to join campaign for them. Mithun Chakraborty, Loket Chatterjee, Tanushri Chakraborty, Anjana Basu and Payal Sarkar are actors.
Okay, but how does that match with your strategy of getting
You
bandaged?
see, if BJP can get all the actors, we can get the whole cast.
They have sat through the entire show, older people, from start to end, to get a stupid joke like this. Actor versus cast. With a T, not an E. At least with an E it would have made some sense, but oh my God. Thank you so much and never ever appear on the program again. This is what the people are saying about me as well. Okay, the fifth state now. Time to talk about the fifth state. We didn't get much in the first four. The fifth state going into the polls. Dr. Kumar, your thoughts?
Yes, that is the thing. I wanted to discuss.
What thing?
I have forgotten which state. So,
You've forgotten which state is going to the polls. You're the famous cephalogist. $50,000 for a public show. World ranking of 877 out of 900. How can you? How can you forget?
I'm sorry. I'm constantly being distracted by this call. It's driving me mad.
What kind of call is it?
I have no idea. I can't decipher. She speaks too fast, faster even than you. It's numbing my brain.
Oh, okay. Can we get a listen? I mean, can we help? Maybe if I hear it.
It's a horrible voice. Can't comprehend anything. I mean,
So let us hear it. Maybe I'll figure it out. Let me hear it.
be my guest. Be my guest. Just listen to this.
नोवेल कोरोना वायरस को फैलने से रोका जा सकता है। खांसते या छींकते वक्त हमेशा अपने मुंह को रुमाल
और
या
चुप
टिश्यू
कर
से
जा
ढकें।
तेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा चुप।
That's just a reminder to the general public that COVID is still there and 1 year later. Just to remind, in case you forget, the phone will tell you all the time that COVID is around and so you be very careful. Wear your mask, keep your head between your legs, make sure nobody makes contact with you of any kind, forget sexual. And whatever happens, do not hold parties and invite people. Hold parties, but be alone. All right, before we go into our top, what?
Shall we start?
Yes, clear नहीं आ रही voice.
Ready? Okay, ready, go, rolling, come, let's go. And action?
Yes. Are you okay?
Yeah, but if I'm acting in pain, I can't.
I'm telling you, Kunal is so lazy that if he got him married also, he'll be like, will you go with my wife?